Hello dear students, welcome to ECE Academy Benefactor. In this class, I will be explaining about logic gates, types of logic gates, logic symbol, expressions, truth table and timing diagram. So before the start of the class, let us see what are logic gates. Logic gates are the basic elements that make up a digital system. Logic gate is a circuit that is able to operate on number of binary inputs in order to perform a particular logical function. So logical gates are the basic building blocks of a digital system or a digital circuit. How it operates? It takes the binary inputs 0 and 1 and perform a particular logical function. Let us say y is equal to a dot b. So by taking the binary inputs, it perform a logical function. So logic gates are the basic building blocks. So we have to know what are the different types of logic gates and how can they be used in a digital system, digital circuit. So coming to types of logic gates, they are AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR gate and XNOR gate. So these are 7 different types of logic gates. In this, AND, OR and NOT, AND, OR and NOT gates are known as basic gates. NAND and NOR are known as universal gates. So there are 3 basic gates, AND, OR and NOT. NAND and NOR are universal gates. NAND and NOR are universal gates because we can implement any of the basic gate using NAND as well as with NOR. Okay. So logic gates are the basic elements that make up a digital system by taking binary inputs and to perform a particular logical functions. Let us start the first gate, the AND gate. So what you have to understand or what you have to prepare under each gate is, what is a logic symbol to be used for each gate, that is known as logic symbol. What is its logical expression? Truth table. Truth table is a table where input and output are we are tabulating them. Based on the inputs and the logical expression, what is the output we are getting is tabulated in the truth table. And the timing diagram. Timing diagram is, we can represent the input in terms of stream of zeros and ones. So they are shown in a waveform mode. If this is the input waveform A and B, what will be its output waveform when passed through the AND gate? Okay, so let us start the first gate. So for each gate we will have some internal electronic circuitry. Okay, so we are not drawing all the internal electronic circuitry, we are simply using a symbol to make the work easier. So when you are asked to draw an AND gate, the symbol is this one. A and B are the inputs and Y is the output variable. The expression of logical expression of AND gate is Y is equal to A dot B. Coming to the truth table, the inputs are A and B, 2 inputs. So we can write 2 to the power of n possible combinations. 2 to the power n means 2 to the power 2. So 4 combinations of input can be written, that is 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. If you look at this binary combination, in decimal they are 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay. In decimal numbers, if you write this combination 0 1 2 3, in binary 0 is 0 0, 1 is 0 1, 2 is 1 0, 3 is 1 1. Okay. So how to write this output column? The expression for AND gate is Y is equal to A dot B. So you have to multiply them. 0.0 is 0, 0.1 is 0, 1.0 is 0, 1.1 is 1. This is known as the truth table of AND gate. Coming to the timing diagram, that is, input A is now represented in a form of a waveform and B is represented by another waveform. Let us say that the A form is of this kind and B waveform is of this kind. So, what it will be the output here? Y is equal to, what is expression for Y? Y is equal to A dot B for an AND gate. So, here in T1 cycle it is 0.0, 0.0 means 0, 0.0 will again be 0, 1.0 it will be 0, 1.1 is 1, like this. The timing waveform for Y, the output waveform will come in this way. So, these are in each cycle, like this is T1, T2, T3, T4. In T1 both are 0, 0, so output is 0. In T2 the both are 0, 0, output is 0. In T3 one is 1, other one is 0, so 1.0 is 0, 1.1 is 1. Okay. So, in this way you can get the waveform for Y. So, what is output here? 0, 0, 0 and 1. Now, coming to the next gate, OR gate. The second gate is OR gate. So, the symbol coming to the OR gate is this one. Its logical expression is Y is equal to A plus B. The truth table of OR gate. So, how many inputs are here? 2 inputs. Any gate can be an N input AND gate except the NOT gate. NOT gate is a single input gate. Coming to all other gates we can have n number of inputs. So, OR gate can be an n number of inputs. So, here we have taken a 2 input OR gate. So, inputs are A and B, output is Y, the expression for Y is equal to A plus B. Okay, now we have written 2 inputs, 4 possible combinations, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So, what you have to do here? You have to add binary addition. 0, it is known as OR addition. OR addition. It's different than binary addition. How? In OR addition, 0 plus 0 is 0. Okay? And here 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 1. Okay? So, in this way, this is known as OR addition. In binary addition, what happens? 1 plus 1 will become 1, 0. There is a difference between OR and binary addition. So, OR gate is working on OR addition. Okay? 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1. Coming to the timing diagram, let us say this is a waveform and this is a given B waveform. The A waveform is of this kind and B. Now, you have to find Y, the output waveform. What is Y? A plus B, you have to do OR addition. If these two inputs are given to an OR gate, what is the waveform you are going to get? So, here in T1 period both are 0, 0. Here in T2 period it is 0, it is 0. Here when you are getting up here, so it will be 1 and this is 0. Here both are 1. So, let us draw. For T1 period both are 0, so 0 plus 0 is 0. Here also 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 will be 1, 1 plus 1 will be 1. So, in these two periods the output is high. Okay, this is known as a timing waveform for OR gate. In T1 it is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1. This is the output waveform for an OR gate. The third gate is NOT gate. The NOT gate is a single input gate. It is also known as inverter because it is inverting the given input. It is complementing the given input. So, it is also known as inverter gate. So, here the input is A, the output is Y. The expression is Y is equal to A bar. Whatever is given will be complemented. So, here we are having only one input. So, we will have 1 means 2 to the power 1. How many possible combinations? 2 to the power n. So, here 2 to the power 1. So, only 2 combinations are possible. So, we have taken 0 and 1. So, when the input is 0, what is output of NOT gate? It should be complement. 0 will become 1, 1 will become 0. So, whatever is the input, that is inverted, complemented at the output. So, 0 is giving 1, 1 input is giving 0 at the output. Coming to the waveform, if this is a given input waveform, in T1 period A is 0, in T2 period A is 1, in T3 A is 0, in T4 the A is 1. So, how to draw the waveform? What is Y? Y is equal to A bar. Whatever is the A, you have to complement it. So, in T1 period it will be high because it is 0, so it will become high. It is 1, so it becomes low, and it is 0 here, so it becomes high, and then it is 0 in 4th period, so it will become 0, and then in 5th next it will become like this. Okay. So, you are doing the complement. So, if input is 0, output will be 1, input is 1, output is 0, input is 0, output is 1, input is 1, output is 0. So, NOT gate is an inverter gate. It is giving the inverted input at the output or complement of the input. Next gate is NAND gate. The logical symbol of NAND gate is, it is similar to an AND gate with a bubble before it. At the front end we are having a bubble. So, it is having two inputs A and B, and Y is the output variable. Its logical expression of NAND gate is Y is equal to A dot B the whole bar. Here the inputs are two inputs A and B. So, when there are two inputs, we can have 2 to the power 2. So, 4 combinations 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. So, how to write the output of an AND gate? In AND gate what we have seen? 0 dot 0 is 0, 0 dot 1 is 0, 1 dot 0 is 0, 1 dot 1 is 1. This is AND gate. What is NAND gate? It is a complement of an AND gate. So, whatever you got in the AND gate, it will be complemented. So, you got 0, so it will become 1. 0 dot 1 is 0, it will become 1. 1 dot 0 is 0 in AND gate. In AND gate the output is 0, so it will be complemented in NAND gate. 1 dot 1 is 1, so it will become 0. Okay, this is a NAND gate. So, what is NAND gate? Complement of AND gate. So, how can we define? When all the inputs are high, the output is 0. Coming to the timing diagram, here in T1 period A is 0, B is also 0. In T2 period A is 0, B is 0. T3 period A is 1, B is 0. T4 period A is 1, B is also 1. Now, based on this truth table, how to draw the waveform? When both are 0 0, what is output of NAND gate? It will be high. Both are 0 0, the output is high. For 1 0, the output is high. Both are 1 1, the output becomes low. Okay. So, in this, when both are 0 0, again the output becomes high, like this. Okay. So, for 0 0, the output is 1, 0 0, output of NAND gate is 1, 1 0, output is 1. For 1 1, the output is 0. This is a truth timing diagram for a NAND gate. Coming to the next gate, NOR gate. So it's looking similar to an OR gate. The difference is it's having a bubble before the OR gate. Okay, so bubbled OR gate is a NOR gate. The inputs for NOR gate here are A and B. Output is Y. The logical expression for NOR gate is Y is equal to A plus B the whole bar. Okay, coming to truth table, the inputs are A and B. The output is Y. The expression is equal to A plus B the whole bar. As there are two inputs, we can write 4 combinations. They are 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Coming to the OR gate, it will be easy if you know what is OR gate addition. OR gate addition, there is a difference between OR addition and binary addition, please have a note. So gates work, OR gate work on OR addition, that is 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is also 1. So what will be the NOR gate? It's a complement of OR gate. So 0 plus 0 in OR gate we got 0, so it will become 1 here. 0 plus 1 is 1, so here we will get 0. 1 plus 0 output is 1 here, so we will get output 0. 1 plus 1 is 1, the output will become 0. This is the truth table of a NOR gate. Okay. Now coming to the timing waveform, in T1 A is 0, B is 0. T2 A is 0, B is also 0. In T3 A is 1, B is 1. In T4 A is 1, B is 1. Okay. So how to draw the waveform? When both are 0, the output is high for a NOR gate. The output is high for NOR gate. So up to here it is high. Now both are 1 1, so output will become low. Both are 1 1, so output will become low, and then it increases like this. This is the output of the NOR gate. Okay, so when both are 0 0, output is 1. When both are 1, so it becomes 0 0. Okay. So these are the 5 gates we have seen. Next coming one is, next gate is XOR gate. Okay, so what are the 5 gates we have seen till now? AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NAND gate and NOR gate. Sixth one is XOR gate or exclusively OR gate. The symbol for XOR gate, the logic symbol is of this kind. The inputs here are A and B, the output is Y. The expression, logical expression for XOR gate is Y is equal to A XOR B. Inside the circle there is a plus sign. If it is elaborated, this expression is written as A bar B plus AB bar. This is the expression of XOR gate. We can write it in this form or in this form. Both are same. This is a logical expression for the XOR gate. Coming to the truth table, we are having two inputs here, A and B. So we will have total 2 to the power n, that is 4 combinations. 2 to the power 2, that is equal to 4. So we have written 4 combinations: 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. Okay. So what will be the XOR gate? So it will be 0 0, the XOR is 0, 0 1, output is 1, 1 0, the output is 1, 1 1, the output is 0. So how we are getting this one? Let me show it here. For one example I will do, that is let me do for 1 1. Okay. When A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1. So let me put it in this expression: Y is equal to A bar B. A bar means complement of this one. A bar will become 0. Dot B is 1 plus A is 1. Dot B bar means B complement, it will become 0. 0 dot 1 is 0. 1 dot 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. So we are getting Y as 0. So we have to use this expression for getting this truth table. For XOR gate, the truth table is 0 1 1 0. Okay. Coming to the timing waveform, I will leave this part for you. You can easily understand. Okay, I will explain it here. In T1 period, A is 0, B is also 0. A in T2 is 1, B is 0. In T3, A is 0, B is 1. In T4, A is 1, B is 1. What will be its output waveform now? Based on the truth table, we have to draw. The output waveform Y will be equal to 0 XOR 0 is 0. 1 XOR 0 is 1. 0 XOR 1 is 1. 1 XOR 1 is 0. Like this. Okay. So in this way we will get the output waveform for the XOR gate. Coming to XNOR gate, this is a symbol or a logical symbol for XNOR gate. It is similarly looking like your XOR gate with a bubble before it. Bubble is a complement, you are complementing the output. So here then we write the expression as Y is equal to A XNOR B. Inside the circle we put a dot. When expanding this one, we can write it in other form. Y is equal to AB plus A bar dot B bar. So let me check the condition here. If A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 0, let me check for this truth table. So what is a Y expression? A dot B. A is 0, B is 0. 0 dot 0 plus A bar. A bar means 0 bar 1 dot B bar. 0 will become 1. So it will become 0 dot 0 is 0 plus 1 dot 1 is 1. So we will get the output as 1. Like this. The output is coming to be 1. Okay. So in this it will be the complement of XOR gate. So we will get it as 1 0 0 1. Coming to output waveform, this is 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0. For 0 1 the output is 0. For 0 0 it is 1. For 1 1 it is 1. For 1 0 it is 0. Like this. So in this way, for each logic gate, you have to remember the logical symbol, expression, truth table and timing diagram. I hope you have understood up to here. So the next one, what we said is NAND and NOR are universal gates. So which I have explained it here. Why NAND and NOR are known as universal gates? Because we can design the basic gates using NAND gate and NOR gate. First I will explain for NOR gate. This is a symbol of NOR gate. The inputs are A and B. The expression for NOR gate is Y is equal to A plus B the whole bar. Now we have to use the symbol NOR gate to design a NOT gate. The NOT gate symbol is this one. The expression for NOT gate is Y is equal to A bar. We want to get the complement of the given input. So while using NOR gate, if you connect both the inputs, it will become a NOT gate. So if the input is given as X, the output for this gate will come as X bar. So this, when both the input terminals are connected of a NOR gate, it works as a NOT gate. Okay. Next, how the NOR gate can be used as an OR gate. So this is the OR gate symbol. The inputs here are A and B. The output is Y is equal to A plus B. So we need this expression Y is equal to A plus B using a NOR gate. So what we can do to the NOR gate, if we put a NOT gate before it, we can get A plus B. So this is a NOR gate, and when the NOR gate, both the inputs are connected, it becomes a NOT gate. So a NOR gate with a NOT gate. The NOR gate output is A plus B the whole bar. When given to a NOT gate, it will be complemented. It is double complemented, so it becomes Y is equal to A plus B. So the NOR gate can be used as an OR gate. Okay, next, AND gate. So AND gate symbol is what? This one. Inputs are A and B, output is Y. Expression of AND gate is Y is equal to A dot B. Okay, so how can we get this expression Y is equal to A dot B using NOR gate? So let us solve it here. Y is equal to A dot B. We want this expression. So by doing double complement, we will get the same variable. So we have done double complement. So A can be written as A double bar, B can be written as B double bar, and then applied De Morgan's theorem. So it becomes A bar plus B bar the whole bar. So what you have done? You need to get A bar. How can you get an A bar? By a NOT gate. So this is a NOT gate. So you are giving input A, it will come as A bar. When the input is B, when passed through a NOT gate, it will come as B bar. So you got A bar and B bar also. What you have to do? You have to pass through a NOR gate to get the expression A bar plus B bar the whole bar. So what is A bar plus B bar the whole bar? A dot B. So this, by this circuit we can get an AND gate using NOR gate. So here we have seen how the NOR gate can be used as a NOT gate, OR gate and AND gate. Coming next to NAND gate. NAND is a universal gate. This is a symbol of NAND gate. Here the inputs are A and B. The output expression of NAND gate is Y is equal to A dot B the whole bar. We have to design a NOT gate using a NAND gate. So you have to know the expression and boolean, you have to know the symbol. This is a NOT gate symbol. What it is doing? If you are giving A, output is coming as A bar. Y is equal to A bar. We want to get the complement. So simply connect both the terminals, input terminals of the NAND gate. When the input terminals are commonly joined as one single input, it becomes a NOT gate. So a NAND gate can be used as a NOT gate when both the input terminals are joined. So it will give Y is equal to X bar. So this NAND gate, both input terminals connected, is acting as a NOT gate. Next, how the NAND gate can be used as an AND gate. This is a symbol of AND gate. The inputs here are A and B. The output for an AND gate is equal to A dot B. We need A dot B expression. And we are having an NAND gate. This is an AND gate. So the NAND gate output will be A dot B the whole bar. You have to remove this bar sign. How can you do that? You can put a NOT gate. You can put a NOT gate. What is NOT gate? In an AND gate, when both the input terminals are connected, it becomes a NOT gate. So A dot B, when passed through the NOT gate, it becomes double complement, which is equal to Y is equal to A dot B. Now let us see how the NAND gate can be used as an OR gate. OR gate symbol is this one. A, B, output is Y is equal to A plus B. we need to get the expression a plus b using NAND gate. So let us write this expression here, y is equal to a plus b. So to get a, we can double complement, a double complement plus b double complement. So a double complement is a, b double complement is b, and then apply De Morgan's theorem to it. It becomes a bar dot b bar the whole bar. So what you want here now? A bar. So give it to a NAND gate. Okay, give it to a NAND gate. How the NAND gate is working as a NOT gate when both the input terminals are connected to a single terminal? We say it's a NOT gate. So you are giving A, it becomes a bar. B is given to a NOT gate formed by a NAND gate, you will get B bar, and then given it to a NAND gate. So we are getting here A bar dot B bar the whole bar. A bar dot B bar the whole bar is equal to A plus B. So this setup, this circuit works as an OR gate using NAND gate. Okay, I hope you have understood all the logical gates, all the logic gates, and seen the logic symbols, expressions, truth table and timing diagram. So what are the gates we have seen? Let me quickly summarize here. What's a logic gate? Logic gate is a basic building block or basic element of a digital circuit or a digital system. How it works? By taking the binary input 0 or 1, processing and giving the, how it is processing? Based on a logical function and giving output in binary form. The gates we have gone through now are, the logic gates are AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR gate, XNOR gate. Okay, so these three are known as basic gates, and these two are known as universal gates. Okay, coming to the final truth table of all the gates, if you summarize, A, B, output of AND gate expression is A dot B. Okay, if the inputs are A and B, output of AND gate A dot B. OR gate, y is equal to A plus B. NOT gate, y is equal to A bar. So let us write 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. The truth table for three basic gates is summarized here. If the input both are 0 0, the AND gate is 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1. For OR gate, so for putting in words for AND gate, we can say the output of AND gate is high only when all the inputs are high. Okay, coming to OR gate, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 0. Okay, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1. So here we can say the output is high of an OR gate when at least one of the input is high. When at least one of the input is high, the output is high. So AND gate output is high only when all the inputs are high. The output of OR gate is high when at least one input is high. Coming to NOT gate, if A is the input, the output will be the complement. 0 complement will be 1, 0, 1, 1 is 0, 1 is 0. Okay. Coming to y plus y is equal to A dot B the whole bar. this gate is a NAND gate. So, I have to find the complement of this is AND gate. So, A dot B the whole bar, this is a NAND gate, it will be the complement of the AND gate. So, it will become 1 1 1 0, 3 ones and 0. Coming to NOR gate, y is equal to A plus B the whole bar, that is a complement of OR gate. So, it is 0 triple 1, it will become 1 triple 0, 1 triple 0. Y is equal to A XOR B, it will be 0 double 1 0. For XNOR, A dot XNOR B, complement of this 1 double 0 1. So, in this way AND gate, this is the AND gate, y is equal to A dot B. OR gate, A B, y is equal to A plus B. NOT gate, A, y is equal to A bar. Coming to NAND gate, putting a bubble before a AND gate becomes NAND gate, A B, y is equal to A dot B the whole bar. NOR gate, put a bubble before OR gate, A B, y is equal to A plus B the whole bar. XOR gate, XOR gate is this one, input is A B, y is equal to A bar B plus A B bar. XNOR gate, a bubble before XOR, A B, y is equal to A B plus A bar B bar, which is also written as A XNOR B. This is written as A XOR B. Okay. So, in this way we have completed the logic gates with the logic symbols, truth tables, timing diagrams, and how we can use NAND and NOR as universal gates also we have understood. And one more point we can cover here is this AND gate, OR gate, or in the gate, except the NOT gate we can have other gates n input. Suppose NAND gate, we can have n number of inputs like this. So, we can give the inputs as A, B, C, D. The output will be A dot, B dot, C dot, D. So, we call this as 4 input AND gate, or we can even draw some in this way also. A, B, C, D. The output is A dot, B dot, C dot, D. This is known as 4 input AND gate. This is a 2 input AND gate, this is a 4 input AND gate. Similarly, we can draw a 4 input OR gate. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C, D. The output will be A plus B plus C plus D, like this. So, this it can be an input OR gate. I hope you have understood the class. If you have any queries, you can post in the comment section. Good luck, students.